Let me ask you this. What if you could open your laptop or even just your phone, and within the next 24 hours start making some extra cash? I'm not talking about some sketchy, get-rich-quick scheme or unrealistic promises. I mean real, practical ways that everyday people, students, parents, side hustlers, even retirees, are already using to bring in extra money online. The truth is, we live in a time where earning a little extra isn't limited to waiting for payday or picking up a traditional part-time job. The internet has opened up thousands of opportunities. Some are quick and easy, others take a little more effort, but all of them can put extra cash in your pocket. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through several quick ways to earn extra cash online, breaking down exactly how they work, why they're worth trying, and how you can start today. Online surveys and microtasks. This is one of the simplest, fastest ways to start, and while it won't make you rich, it can definitely add up over time. According to Statista, the online survey industry generates over $3 billion a year. That means companies are constantly paying for your opinion. Let's be real. Most surveys only pay between 50 cents and $3 each. But if you're sitting on the couch scrolling through your phone, it's an easy way to turn downtime into pocket money. And then there are micro-task platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker, where you can earn by labeling images, checking data, or doing simple digital errands for companies. Pro tip: the key here is consistency. Doing 15 minutes of surveys a day might bring in $30 to $60 extra each month without much thought. It's not life-changing money, but it's a starter hustle, and it gets you into the mindset of earning online. Selling your stuff online. If you want money fast, sometimes the answer is already sitting in your closet or garage. Think about it. Old phones, clothes that don't fit, unused electronics, books, furniture. These are all items someone else is willing to pay for. In 2024, eBay reported that over 60% of its sellers were casual resellers, people just decluttering their homes for extra cash. And the best part? This is one of the quickest methods because the items you already own cost you nothing. That old smartphone in your drawer could easily fetch $100 or more online. Pro tip: good photos and honest descriptions are everything. A clear picture can increase the chance of selling by up to 60%. Don't just snap a dark, blurry photo. Take a few minutes to make it look appealing. Not only does this put cash in your pocket, it also frees up space in your life. It's a win-win. Talk to freelancing small skills. Now, here's where things start to get interesting. If you've got a skill, even a small one, you can sell it online. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you offer services to people around the world. You don't need to be a professional web developer or graphic designer. People are paying for things like writing short blog posts, editing resumes, designing simple social media graphics, even creating PowerPoint presentations. Fiverr has over 4 million active buyers. That's millions of people looking to outsource small jobs every single day. The beauty of freelancing is you set your own rates. Some people start at $5 per gig just to build reviews, but once you gain credibility, you can charge much higher. For example, if you enjoy writing, a 500-word article could earn you $20 to $50 depending on the niche. Do just a few a week, and that's a solid side income. Pro tip: pick something you enjoy and can do quickly. The faster you deliver, the more jobs you can take on. Freelancing can start as a quick cash booster, but for many, it grows into a long-term career. Testing websites and apps. Here's one you might not know. Companies pay ordinary people to test their websites and apps. Basically, you're paid to click around, share your thoughts out loud, and complete simple tasks like find the checkout button or search for a product. Most website testing gigs pay between $10 and $20 for a 10 to 20-minute test. That's a much higher rate than surveys. The only requirements? A computer, a decent microphone, and the ability to speak your thoughts clearly. Pro tip: be detailed. Instead of saying this button is confusing, explain why it's confusing. Companies want useful feedback, and good testers often get invited to do more sessions. If you enjoy exploring apps or new websites, this is one of the quickest and most fun ways to earn. Selling digital downloads. Okay, this one takes a little setup. but once it's running, it can earn you money even while you sleep. Digital products are things you create once and sell over and over. Think of printable planners, ebooks, stock photos, templates for resumes, social media posts, or business cards. The digital products market is expected to hit over $300 billion by 2030. And the beauty is, no shipping, no inventory, no packaging. For example, someone who creates a simple budgeting spreadsheet template could sell it for $5. If 100 people buy it in a month, that's $500 from a file you built once. Pro tip: start small. You don't need to build an entire store overnight. Create one useful product, list it, and see how it performs. Selling digital products isn't instant cash like selling old stuff, but it builds a foundation for ongoing income. Teaching or tutoring online. If you're good at explaining things, math, English, coding, or even playing guitar, you can earn by teaching others online. Websites like Preply, Cambly, and Wisent let you connect with students worldwide. Some platforms focus on teaching English, while others cover a wide range of subjects. The global online tutoring market is projected to reach $25 billion by 2027. Demand is huge, especially for languages and technical skills. Tutors often earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour, sometimes more if you specialize. And unlike freelancing, you don't need to constantly pitch. Students come to you. Pro tip: if you're just starting, platforms like Cambly are great because they don't require teaching certificates. You can simply have conversations in English with learners and get paid. Not only does this bring in cash, it's rewarding. You're helping someone learn while building your income. So, as you can see, there are plenty of quick ways to earn extra cash online. Some, like surveys and microtasks, are simple and fast. Others, like freelancing or selling digital downloads, take a little more effort but have the potential to grow into something bigger. The important thing is to pick one method that fits your lifestyle and start today. Even if it's just a few extra dollars a week, it builds momentum. And over time, that momentum can completely change the way you earn and think about money. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more online income tips, and share it with a friend who could use some extra cash. And remember, your time is valuable. Why not make the internet work for you?